The 2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, backup camera, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, AM FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows, power door locks. Come see the car for yourself.